Okay, so now we've got the mop together, and there's just a few things that you might want to know when you're sweeping, either dusting or washing. The motion is the same. It's going to be a lazy figure 8, and with the lead edge of the fiber always coming towards you, so then the fibers, the dirt can filter through the fiber. So you're going to start maybe with an edge. We just brought wood in, so this is perfect. Don't be afraid to move your fiber and get in there if you want, or if you're doing a baseboard, stand your fiber up and you can go right up your wall, right and do your ceiling too. So anyway, down on the floor, meanwhile, you can see that it will pick up the dust because that's what it's called, is a dust fiber. But pieces of wood, it's not going to pick up, and you're going to be stuck with, in any floor when you mop it, you're going to be stuck with a couple things that are not going to stick to the fiber. There's a lot of things that do stick to the fiber. This is my lead edge. But you're going to be have a little bit, no, this is a little bit more than normal because this is wood chips. So I would pick this up either with, if I was in the kitchen, I'd use my wet all-purpose cloth or my living cloth. But since my all-purpose cloth is already damp from cleaning this morning, I'm just going to pick this up and put it right in the fire. Now, if there's a tiny bit more, and then it's all gone. So you can drag out your dustpan if you want, but that makes more sense. So now you always want to dust before you wash because you need to pick all those fibers up, okay? So the washing fibers for washing, not dusting. So I have my washing fiber here. I'm just going to put it on the ground. I'm going to hit the open button. I'm going to pull over here. I'm going to get one fin in, the other fin in, close, and I'm ready to go. Now you've got two ways. This floor is fairly clean, so I'm not going to want to run that fiber under the water. I'm just going to use my handy dandy spray bottle. You got two methods here. You can give this fiber a squirt to get it going, or you can just spray the floor. So again, going to use the big Lazy 8 swing. And then when you run out of water, you can just spray where you get to go. And the beauty about using so little water is you get everything picked up, but it's dry by the time you're done the other end of the room. Everything's dry. So if you have any questions, please call me, email me, text me. You can get a hold of me somehow. I'm always home. Everybody's always home now. So yeah, enjoy your mop. You'll love it. It's the signature piece as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, take care.